Welcome to Brush and Beyond. Today I am going to create this cute animal pattern. Let's begin with a square canvas. I have sketched a basic layout with 4 animals at near corners and 1 in the center. I'll start with the lion first. Select monoline brush, the color of your choice, and let's go. I am keeping the animal shape simple and easy to draw and using some bright colors. To draw a straight line, just keep holding the end till it gets straight. Let's drag and drop color to fill the shape. And with these, our lion is ready. Let's move to the next one, zebra. I am drawing each animal in a separate layer for now. You can also draw these details in separate layers and merge them later. Adding a smile to create a happy face. Let's add some hair and details. Adding some stripes, like I said, keeping it very simple and easy to draw. Next, coming to the giraffe now. Now I have added a layer below this layer to add small details, which I want to be at the back. In terms of finishing, I'll merge them together later. Adding a smile again. Next, I am drawing an elephant. Let's draw our alligator now. I have picked up a bright and happy green color. Now I'm ready with the animals. I'll be adding some grass around them. I am using 2 shades of green, light and dark. I am now merging all these layers together, and let's move on to the background. I am adding a new layer and turning off this animal layer for now. I am adding an off-white color, keeping it light, for the bright colors of the animals to stand out well. Next, I have picked up a light gray color to add small dots to the background. And for that, I am going to start with a circle at the center of the canvas. This big circle will end up as small dots with the pattern process that I am going to start now. So select the circle layer and duplicate it 3 times to have 4 circle layers in total. Now select the top layer and move it in a way that its center goes to the top left corner of the canvas. Same way, select the next layer and move it to the other corner, and repeat it with the next 2 circles, moving them to the bottom corners separately. Now, merge these 4 layers together and duplicate the layer 3 times again, and this time, Resize the layer and bring the corner of the layer to the center of the canvas. Repeat it again to have smaller dots, resizing and bringing the corner of the layers to the center. Now I'm adjusting the opacity of the layer to have lighter color dots for my background. Next, I have merged these layers together and repeating the pattern process with the animals. Starting with moving center of the layers to the corners now. Merging these and duplicating to have 4 similar layers. Next, resizing and bringing the corner to the center. I am repeating it again to get a smaller pattern. And my cute animal pattern is ready.